Hi, my name is Lamb and this is Lamb Nation. I'm back at it again with another great video. On today's video, I will be talking about Tesla stock. I had a cousin ask me should they sell their Tesla stock, and I decided to do a video on it. And for the past hour, I have been researching Tesla stock and I am now an expert at it. First and foremost, I want to say do not take any stock advice from individuals, including me. So this video is strictly for entertainment purposes and so I can relay any information that I have gained in the past hour to you all. The reason you do not want to take stock advice from individuals is because they may not have the same goals as you, as far as maybe they are long term, you're short term, maybe they have a high risk tolerance, maybe you have a low risk tolerance. So with that being said, I feel like Tesla stock is a high risk, high reward type stock, which means that you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money. I feel like investors who are looking to make money in the short term, being less than 5 years, and long term, being more than 5 years, if you're looking to make money in the short term, you can make money in the volatility of the stock. That just basically means it goes up and down a lot. So buy it when it's low, sell it when it's high. If you're a long-term investor, you can make money in the branding. And by branding, I mean how the iPod beat Zune, how Google beat Bing, and how Amazon is beating Walmart. Some companies are just better at marketing and advertising than others. So Tesla has a good brand around it between Tesla and Elon Musk, and I think that may take the company far, just as far as it having a brand. Tesla has a $354 billion market cap and $26 billion in revenue, and currently has no dividends. So basically what that means is some people would say that Tesla is overpriced because of their earnings, how much they earn versus how much the company is valued at. And also, it being no dividends, you as an investor, if there's no long-term growth, there's really no way to make money, because you either make money through capital gains or through the dividend investing. So some things to keep in mind is the value in Tesla is in the EV, the batteries, and the autonomy. Currently, from what I'm hearing, Tesla does not make its own batteries. It has a battery manufacturer and they use their batteries, so it's really no value in that. EV, they are leading in electric vehicles. Some people were saying that the Nissan Leaf, I've never heard of that, may be a competitive EV car. But like I said, because of the strong branding of Tesla and Elon Musk, they are really leading. So one thing to talk about, which I basically watched the whole 10-minute video about it, so I know all about it. So to keep in mind that 5 people have died so far from Tesla technology failure. In 2015, they were partnering with this company called Mobileye, and they got rid of them because I guess so much technology failure. That was in 2015, and in 2020, the technology has apparently gotten a lot better, and they are now partnering with 25 other car brands and 300 different models of cars. Tesla does make its own autonomous technology, but this company called Mobileye does also. So Mobileye can pretty much partner with any car brands, and they're making this technology, and then they're licensing it to the car manufacturers who are making these cars and branding themselves. And that is a bit of a concern, because if Tesla is not the leading person in this autonomous system, then basically everybody will license this Mobileye technology, and the Tesla technology will be obsolete, and Mobileye has a chance of growing a lot faster because it can collect data from more drivers and more users from all over the world from different car brands, versus Tesla, who is just have their Tesla autonomous technology and nobody else is using it if everybody else is using Mobileye. So that is definitely a concern. So Elon Musk just had this thing called Battery Day, whatever that is. But it seems like they are trying to make the battery in the Tesla cars last a lot longer, so you can drive further on one battery. And in this speech, Elon Musk said that the value of Tesla is production times autonomy. So like I said, they do have their own autonomous system right now, but they are competing against brands like Nvidia, Intel, and Qualcomm. So you might want to look into that, and you maybe even want to be an investor in one of those three companies. Again, those companies are Nvidia, Intel, and Qualcomm. And like I said, Mobileye also licensing this stuff out also. So if the value is in production times autonomy, if they get past in autonomy by any of these other companies, what does that say about the value of Tesla? Tesla should see some short-term growth within the next 30 days or so. In September, the automotive numbers come out, and if the trends continue, it should rise 3.3%, and that means higher sales in the automotive industry, which means higher sales in Tesla. Tesla should be coming out with its earnings report somewhere around the time of October 28th, and maybe the day of or the day before. That may be a good selling point for Tesla. So really what you want to do, you want to buy at somewhere around 370, and you want to sell somewhere around 460. If you can see on the charts, you can see that 450 has kind of been a high point. On September 15th, it was at 450. Then it went back down on September 17th to 423. Then it went back up to 450 on September 21st. Then it had some resistance. It went back down to 380 on September 23rd, and today is at 407. So you should see it creep back up to 450 or greater as we get closer, like I said, as those automotive numbers come out and as they approach earnings. Now, after that, we don't know what's going to go on with the election. Like I said, it'll be a lot of volatility. And like I said, with all of these stocks, nothing is guaranteed. A lot of stuff can happen in the next 30, 40, 50, 60 days. Even I could wake up tomorrow and it could be another article out of whatever happened in Tesla or technology or with this automotive or company merge, company split. So really, this video could be obsolete tomorrow. So my best piece of advice: should you buy or sell Tesla stock? Should you hold it? It just all depends. Just make sure you do your own research. Make sure you follow up. If you're really serious about it, make sure you look up into, like I said, EV autonomy and the batteries. Look into Nissan Leaf, whatever that is. Look up Nvidia, Intel, and Qualcomm, and look up Mobileye. And basically, anytime you invest in a stock, you don't want to trust other people. You could go to like a advisor or whatever, but ultimately the decision is going to be up to you into what you invest in. So do not be ignorant on this, and do not just invest in something because somebody told you to invest. That's not really a smart investing plan. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please share this video. I appreciate you for watching. Thanks.